How you living? How you feeling, Versatile Squad, y'all? As y'all can see who in the Versatile Garage, y'all gonna have to excuse it, man. Not too much has changed. Let me take y'all to the driver's side, though, so y'all can get a look on this inside, man. Got the Saints steering wheel. Got the Saints right there. We did hydro dip this, y'all. My camera actually went skinny dipping. Let me show y'all this a little bit more. Saints logo right there. Got the custom shift boot, y'all, from Slam Shift Boots. About to throw up his website right here, man. He has boots for the shift knob, the e-brake, custom knobs, man. Anything, man. Make sure y'all get at him for any shift boots or any custom work that y'all need done. He's the go-to guy. We also got some Saints logos right there. And also, y'all, huge shout out to my guy, Back to the Money, for polishing the headlights, man. About to throw that up right now. About to get the headlight mans right. Got my boy Back to the Money, man. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all subscribe. It will pop up right here. Big 1K on that thing. Yes, sir. But right now, he's about to sand this down, y'all. Get that ugly yellow off.
Oxidation off of it.
The oxidation. Okay, my boy know the correct
you helped me
pronunciation.
yesterday, so you know what I'm saying? I gotta make sure.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it. So he wet sanding it right now to get that oxidation off, y'all. It's like the UV rays from the sun eating it up.
And also the rain too as well.
Rain, the acid rain. After he's done with that, y'all, gonna get this wheel polish. Let's move it.
And you ready to move it now?
Yeah, he can move it out.
He's gonna use this headlight compound right here, though. With some of this right here.
That's
We're gonna shine this up. Yeah, that's what I was telling this, the compound you use to shine it up. As y'all can see, y'all.
Looking
That
better
thing
already.
already, for real.
Wait till I get done with it though. It's gonna look right.
Couldn't find no new ones. New ones were too expensive, so I was like, might as well just restore them, y'all. Then I'm gonna tint over it. Then I'm gonna get back at y'all, man, when we got them all nice and shined up. So y'all, this is the one he's about to do. This is the one he's finished. Y'all can see a big difference in that, man.
Totally big difference.
It's not hazy just because of the compound. It actually looks like that. Big difference, man. Y'all actually want this done to y'all car, man. Y'all can come to Briar Grove, Texaco, man, off of San Felipe and Voss Road and get it done from your boy Money right here. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished product. Sheesh. Man, them things look a whole lot better. Let's go ahead and get into the interior of the car. Alright, y'all, my parents just pulled up. I have to open up the garage and show my dad what we did, y'all. Hopefully, alright, they don't see me, y'all. Hopefully he's surprised, man. This is something my mom wanted me to do for him because his birthday is coming up, so it's kind of like a little early birthday gift, if you will. Let's get his reaction, y'all. See what he think about the car.
You ain't put no muffler on that bitch.
No, I ain't putting no muffler on it. It's just making a weird noise.
Huh?
I said he gonna get it.
Boy, look at you. You ain't even changed it. What you call it, huh? Boy, this new one you changed.
I had somebody polish it and then I tinted over it.
Oh, boy, I will be styling in profile. Yes.
Them 22s on here, you know.
Huh?
Them some 22s.
Did you tint the windows again?
Yeah, I got them retinted.
What? This cat.
Yeah, it's just a Hellcat. It look like some wheels. You gotta go check the driver's side. Nah, don't open.
Like a different car, huh?
Yeah. Lord Jesus. Oh shit, got the same thing. Yeah.
You gotta look at the shift knob.
Huh?
Look at the shift knob. You ain't got your light. You give me your light back.
Oh, got the black and gold shift on it. Oh my.
Custom boot.
Yeah. Yes, indeed.
New seat covers. You ain't
I
even
see.
realize it.
Yes. Oh man, I might have to sleep up in here.
Oh, wait a minute.
No, I don't think you're gonna get it back. I think I gotta keep it now.
You been having long enough. Man. Got the steering wheel. Look at the steering wheel, brother.
I see.
Y'all, we on the phone, y'all. Like I said earlier, my camera took a skinny dip, man. But yeah, y'all, as you can see, it was a success, man. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. If y'all want to see another restoration build, man, I'm actually thinking about buying another old school and fixing it up, because when the vet come back, it's gonna be drinking gas. So y'all let me know if I should. If I do want to buy a restoration, what next build should I do? But yeah, with that being said, that's gonna be it for this one. Y'all remember to stay versatile, treat each day like it's y'all Friday, man, and go ahead and like it's y'all last. We out.
Hopped out a motherfucker bed. Hopped in a motherfucker coupe.
Be doing, even though it's a manual, y'all, he's done one before. Just wait for it. There you go. That's how you smoke them out, baby. Let that motherfucker talk in. Yes, sir.